How can virtual reality help you sell your home and make the process easier, saving you time and energy? Well, let me break it down for you in today's video. Hi, I'm Charlotte with Birch & Cedar Realty Group. If you're interested in the Boise area or the local real estate market, be sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you don't miss any videos. I've got some great information for you and I wouldn't want you to miss it. So how can virtual reality help you sell your home? Traditionally, when you sell your home, you're gonna hire an agent, and that agent's gonna hire, if they're a good agent, a professional photographer. And you're gonna spend a lot of time and effort making sure that your home is decluttered and cleaned and prep work for that photographer coming out and taking the best possible pictures so your home shows in the best possible light. The agent is then going to post those pictures online. And the whole point is so that you can garner interest and you get buyers, potential buyers, coming to see your property. The agent is likely to do open houses for you. So every weekend you're going to spend your time cleaning in preparation for those open houses, at least until you get an offer. In addition to open houses, your home's gonna need to be available for showings during the week, whether that being during the day or the evening, as well as in off hours outside of the open house on the weekends. And you're gonna need to make sure that your home is show ready at any of these times. In addition to making and keeping your home show ready, you also have to make yourself scarce so the buyers can come by and take a look at your home and see if it's the right fit for their family. It is a lot of work to keep your home show ready, and it becomes even more complicated if you have kids or pets. And to be honest, most of the buyers that come through are not going to be the buyer for your home. You've made yourself scarce, you've made the home show ready, and even with that, it's not a right fit for every buyer. So you're going to have a lot of showings and maybe a lot of open houses until you find that perfect buyer for your home. So how can virtual reality help you sell your home? Traditionally, the photos online have only showed so much. A buyer's going to take a look and love the photos, but they can't see the layout and they can't see the neighborhood. Often they'll make an appointment with their agent and come by, and as soon as they drive up or as soon as they walk in, they notice that the layout's not right or the neighborhood's not going to work for them. But they won't know that until they get there because you can't tell that from the photos online. So what I offer my sellers is a virtual reality 360 tour of their home, and we put that online. It's available 24/7, and buyers can take a look at it at their convenience. First, let me explain the virtual reality 360 tour process, and then I'll explain why it's so important to have a 24/7 virtual open house available online to help you sell your home. So after you've gone through the great effort of decluttering and cleaning for the professional photographer, I'll go to work on the virtual tour. I can take my 360 camera and walk through the home. I can highlight different aspects that might not necessarily be highlighted by a photograph. For example, I can highlight the type of flooring that you have, or if you have an extended length tub, or if your home has been pre-wired for home theater. Okay, so after we've created the tour, we upload it and we put it in an online virtual open house that's available 24/7. So buyers can look at it and within 5 to 10 minutes know whether or not your home is a good fit for them. This means that you are only making your home show ready and leaving the home for potential buyers who are an actual potential fit. They've seen the home online, they've walked through it virtually, and it seems like a good fit for them. So they're really making the appointment to confirm. Even with a virtual reality tour, not every showing is going to produce an offer. It still might not be the right fit for that buyer. But I can tell you it will drastically reduce the amount of time and effort you spend getting ready for each showing before you get an offer. Did you know that the National Association of Realtors, also known as NAR, says that about 7% of buyers found their home via open house or yard sign? Only 7%. They also state that only 4% of buyers go to open houses. The common belief used to be that if you opened a home on the weekend, it would drive up traffic, and that increased traffic would translate into the home selling. The fact of the matter is that just isn't true anymore, and the statistics prove it. You'll still see traffic at open houses, but you'll get a lot of nosy neighbors or drive-bys or people that are looking to renovate their home and want ideas. And there's also some potential buyers that come in, but often they're coming in because they see the sign and they don't know the price point that they're actually looking at. So they're looking outside of their price range. NAR also states that 50% of buyers found the home they bought by looking online. So you need to go where the buyers are. Let's put that virtual tour online and make it available to the buyer on their time frame so they can look at it when they want. The bottom line is that selling a home is hard work. Keeping it clean and show ready and leaving it a moment's notice is challenging, especially with pets and kids. But we don't have to make it harder than it needs to be. Let's do a virtual reality tour, put it online, where the buyers are at, and give them access to it 24/7 so that they can view it on their timetable. That way, when you get a scheduled showing, you know that the person coming to look at it thinks that your home might truly be the perfect one for them. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're looking to sell and buy in the area as well, check out my virtual reality house hunting video. That way you can see how virtual reality can save you time and energy there as well. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.